What does absurd mean and how do you use it naturally in English? Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. In this mini lesson, you'll learn the definition, three examples, synonyms, and a practical usage note. Let's begin. Absurd is an adjective that describes something so unreasonable, illogical, or inappropriate that it seems ridiculous, or something silly in an amusing way. For example, Lisa thought the $75 fee for replacing a lost library card was absurd because making a new card cost the library less than a dollar. Employees found it absurd that the company scheduled a 3-hour meeting to discuss how to reduce the number of unnecessary meetings. The teenager made the absurd claim that cleaning his room once would keep it organized for the rest of the year. Synonyms for absurd include ridiculous, unreasonable, nonsensical, and preposterous. Absurd is neutral and describes an idea, claim, situation, or action that is extremely unreasonable or illogical, often to the point of seeming ridiculous. As an adjective, it appears naturally in phrases like an absurd idea, an absurd claim, and an absurd situation. Absurdity is the related noun, as in the absurdity of the situation. Picture someone climbing into a giant cardboard box, adding postage, and trying to mail themselves across the country. That plan is absurd. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to Mission Vocab for more advanced English vocabulary lessons, and choose another word to continue learning.